Wow. Well, that's it right there. That's Welch Village. I just have to cross this highway. Should I jump out in front of this moving object? All right, people's folks on space aliens, I'm gonna roll Air Bear and see what it's like. I'm not planning on going real fast. Whoa! Yeah, that's actually pretty sweet. That's like an easy jump. This is an easy jump. I'm flopping them, but wow! Dude! It's a hip jump. Oh my gosh, that's pretty awesome. Oh yeah, I like it. They have really improved these jumps. They are insane. They're a BMX style jump. Oh, I like it. I really like it, but I don't think I'm quite ready for that massive jumpiness. But man, that is pretty awesome, peoples. Okay, I'm just trying to get my bearings here. Oh yeah, trails merge. Hello everyone. Oh, okay, so you come out to this, and I have my keys flopping around on me. Well, I kind of cleared that. Yay! Woo! Well, that is freaking nuts. I like it though.